Yo, it's a rainy day again. So, hi guys. It's a rainy day again. We have something to do right now. We're just, um, we have an extra work today. Where's the brush here? Uy! Ipis pala yun. Buti di ko nawakan. My gosh, kahit umuulan, mainit. Damdam ko ang init. Okay, so today we have an important thing to do, and we actually extra we have actually extra work that, and the we were going there right now. We're going there to we have an extra work. I just make this my hair curly like this so that it never looks like so much freeze and drying. Judgment era. Looks like a judgment. Oh, I'm sorry because the mirror is so dirty. Don't mind that. Okay, we're going to the sunrise. Okay, time out for everything, and we will eat the breakfast, lunch. I always mistake of saying that breakfast over lunch. And here our lunch. This is the pansit, the leftover from the morning, and then tinolang manok. So delicious. Let's eat, guys. So I'm done to take a shower, and it's time to make a style for my hair. I will just make simple curl. So I'm just making a simple curl for my hair so that it will never looks like frizzy and dry. Okay, this is just a simple. I'm not using any product for the curly hair. I just used keratin gold as a conditioner for my hair. I bought, I bought this one. It's it it sunshines a snack that we used to eat before when I was a little, and this is actually our favorite snack before, and I'm used to eat this kind of food or snack. Cali, California. I'm used to call that cat California. Her name is Cali. She looks like also Snow White, but they are different because Cali is small. Let's eat. Um, what is this? Let's take the break time. Oh my gosh, my we came home from our extra work. We just came home now. It's already 5:53 p.m. and hopefully it will not rain again because that was so chaotic for us. I just made my coffee, my favorite coffee, creamy latte, of course. There's nothing, there's no other than creamy latte for me. Let's coffee, everyone. This is a creamy latte, my favorite coffee as of now. This is and I actually didn't put the sugar on my coffee because creamy latte is enough. Has enough sweet for me. Okay, I'm going to the local market to buy the talbos because our ulam for tonight is ista, of course. So I'm going to the local market. Yo, it's already night, and I'm done to do the dishes, and I'm already done to wash my face. Actually, it's time to rest from this tiring all day. No, I mean I have time to write novel. Will. Yo, look at that cats. They are waiting for their foods. Oh, that's orange is really playful. They still having their dinner for now because their mommy is so busy. Orange.